Hey guys, it's Shanvi. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this really pretty look. It's like a pinkish and purplish eyeshadow look and some shimmer in the middle. And the skin is really pretty and glowy. If you want to figure out how to do this makeup look, keep watching. So I've already done my eyebrows with the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in Ebony. And I concealed them with NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in Macadamia. And I primed my eyelid with the same concealer. I just went ahead and set my eyelid with a pale shadow. I used My Tribe from the Pretty Fun and Fearless palette. So let's zoom into my eyes. So to start off my eyeshadow, I'm going to be taking this big fluffy eyeshadow brush from e.l.f. I'm going to go in with Unconditional, a light brown shade. I'm just going to take that and put that all over my crease and on my lid and my outer V and stuff. So as you can tell, I blended that color up really high. I pretty much just blended it all over my eyelid, so that would work as our transition shade. After I'm done with Unconditional, I'm going to be taking a more yellow shade from the Jaclyn Hill palette called Creamsicle, and I'm just going to be placing that a little bit below where I placed the brown Unconditional shade. So that didn't make that big of a difference, but I feel like it made the brown a little bit more warmer. I'm going to dip into my Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette, go in with that orange shade on the bottom called Blazing. This time I'm going to be using a more dense eyeshadow brush. This is from e.l.f. too, and I'm just going to place that a little below where I put the yellow and the brown shades to focus that more into my crease. So I'm going to try to mix Amethyst, which is a really bright purple shade, and then Saffron, which is a red shade. And I'm going to be focusing it more on my outer V and my inner corner. I'm going to go ahead and blend out the top of that with a little bit of more of the orange color Blazing, and I'm probably going to go in with more of the purple just to make it a little bit more brighter. So once I'm done with that, I'm going to go ahead and cut the crease using this flat concealer brush, and I'm going to be using the same NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in Macadamia. So I'm just cutting the very middle of it and make sure the top part is like really nice and sharp. So after that, I'm going to go ahead and blend out both the sides of the cut crease with Amethyst, which is that bright purple shade that we used before. Now I'm going to go in with NYX Glitter Primer. Just going to put that over the center open concealer part. Now I'm going to go in with a shimmer over where I put the NYX Glitter Primer with Retrograde. It's sort of a dark purpley shimmer, but it also has like little green and blue flecks in it, and it's a really pretty color. I'm going to go in with just a little bit of Amethyst, which is the bright purple shade. I'm just going to put on some mascara and falsies. I'm going to be using Kush mascara. It's by far one of my favorite mascaras. And I'm going to be using these eyelashes. Okay, so that took an extremely long time. I'm going to go in with a face primer, Hourglass Mineral Veil Primer. I'm gonna use my foundation. I'm gonna be using my Bobbi Brown Skin Foundation, and this is in the shade 5.5 Warm Honey. Mixing that in with the Cover FX. It's just liquid highlighter. This is in Moonlight. Mixing that in with some of the Farsali Volcanic Elixir. I'm just gonna be blending that out with my beauty blender. I'm gonna go ahead with Clinique Airbrush Concealer. This has a peachy undertone, so this would just help to cancel out some of the purples underneath my eye. This also helps to brighten your under eye a little bit because I'm gonna go in with my regular NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer on top of that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and blend that out with my finger. So next I'm actually gonna contour with my Fenty Matchstick in the color Mocha. So I'm going to be contouring my cheekbones and my nose and my forehead and stuff. I'm going to be blending that out with this Eco Tools brush. It's kind of small for a face brush and it's really dense. Next, I'm going to be going in with some more concealer over the color correcting one that I used before, the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. This one's in Ginger. So next, I'm going to bake underneath my eyes the Laura Mercier Brightening Under Eye Powder. Next I'm going to be setting the rest of my face with the MAC Mineral Powder, and this is in the shade Dark Golden. I'm just going to be baking right underneath my cheekbones. Smashbox Powder Foundation, the shade Light Neutral. So I just wiped off the bake right underneath my eyes. I'm going to go ahead and bronze the rest of my face with the Benefit Hoola bronzer. I'm also going to use this to slightly contour my nose. Now I'm going to be going back to my eyes. So for that I'm going to be using Saffron, which is that red shade, and Amethyst, which is that purple shade, right underneath my eyes. I'm going to be going in with my Clinique High Impact Mascara, a Clinique Charcoal Eyeliner, and I'm going to be tightlining my eyes. Next, I'm going to be going in with some highlighter. This is the Becca Champagne Pop Highlighter. I'm going to put some on my nose, my cheekbones, my eyebrow bone, my inner corner, and all that stuff. So. Next, I'm going to be using some setting spray, and this is the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. And I'm just going to spray it everywhere, but I'm going to cover my eyes while I spray it. Last but not least, for lips, I'm going to be going in with this L'Oreal Paris lipstick. It's in the shade 852 Silk. It's like this nude sheer brown color. And on top of that, I'm going to be going in with the Fenty Glow lip gloss. So that completes the makeup look. I hope you enjoyed. The eyes are like purpley and shimmery, and the skin is really, really pretty and glowy. It's a really pretty look. All the products will be in the description box below. Please hit the subscribe button below. Thank you for watching. See you later.